Please.
Good morning, loves. Welcome back to another vlog. So we just woke up, had some coffee, hot chocolate, etc. It's a home vlog today because my baby's not feeling well. Yeah, she has a temperature, so a high fever, so she's not feeling too well, so we couldn't go to dance class and gymnastics today. But plan is for gear enough liquor, you know, home remedy, ginger and garlic and everything there for drink, and she should be all better so that she can be back to her normal self next week. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, because she also had to miss school. That's what we're doing. She's recovering, giving her some bits to drink and stuff so that she can get better. As for what I'm doing today, so I'm just gonna do like a reset. I'm gonna take some time, tidy the place, have some me time, have a little shower,
Mommy,
pampering and stuff. I got my lashes done. I tried, wait baby, I'm talking, give me a minute. I'm actually going to be doing some content for a hair brand today, so I'm just going to do like a no makeup look. Then I'm going to do my hair routine and everything using those products.
Mommy, what is this?
It's just from packaging, my love. It came in when I bought this.
Oh.
Yeah, but yeah, let's have a day at home. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my hair now. I got a package from Brand Nation and it is a collab with Bondi Boost, and it came in this box here. Welcome to the Bondi Boost family. Oh. And inside it came with a cute little card. It says, "Hi Mitty, here are some hair goodies from Bondi Boost, Australia's miracle hair care brand, which has over 26,000 5-star reviews. Hope you love the products. Sarah XX at Bondi Boost." That's their little note, and on the back it just has their name on there. And then I love packages. Okay, so I got the Bondi Boost Curl Boss conditioner, and I also got the Bondi Boost Curl Boss shampoo, and then I got the Curl Boss styling cream. So the Curl Boss line. I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a reel. Stay tuned to my Instagram. I'm going to be doing a reel right now. I'm going to take my hair down and go do a wash reel for them, and then use this to style my hair. It comes with a little cover on the inside on the curl cream. It smells good. I'm recovering. I'm still ill, so my smell's not really 100, but it smells good. It's thick, nice and thick. There's some movement to it, which is great. Is it a gel? Good, it's a cream. My hair's not really fond of gels. I don't know if you guys saw my last vlog where I was telling you I tried one in Canada and my hair said, no, not gonna work. So it like a lot of my hair fell out. It was just coming out, just like so I'm excited to try these. I'm gonna go do that, and I will link my reel, because the reel will be done by the time this vlog goes up, so I'll link my reel so you guys can have a look, and also leave some love on that reel for me lovelies. But yeah, let's go wash our hair. I did some cleaning, washed my hair as you guys know, styled it with the Bondi Boost stuff, and it's really nice. Like, my curls are really defined. Let me see if you guys can see. It's really defined. And I also what you call it, diffused it as well at the end to dry it. So yeah, it's really nice. Amira J is sleeping. She's really congested. I'm sure you guys can hear her snoring. Anyway, so I wanted to come and show you guys a quick Primark haul, as well as some other bits that I got. Am I the only one that shops on TikTok Shop? Because I can't be the only one that shops on TikTok Shop, right? No, can't be. So I got some stuff. One of them was, oh, I actually got a gilet, which is like a puffer vest, that I don't know where that is right now. I think it's downstairs, so I can't show you. But I also got some blush. Did I already show you these? Don't think I did. Some blush by what's his name, Made by Michelle liquid blusher. I got 3 of them. This one here, all the packaging looks the same. This is a really nice, I love like orangey peachy blushes, so this is nice. Oh, it looks like it was a bit bent in there. Anyways, I'm really into liquid blush right now, so I'm really excited about these. That one was called what's this one called? Toasted Terracotta. That was the first one that I showed you, and then this second one is called Papaya Pudding, which is again like an orangey kind of one. And then all of them is like this glass, which is really nice as well. Love the packaging on there. And then the packaging is lime green, so it came in this lime green box, which was also very cute. And then I paid all of this was like £15, no, £12, something like that. Then the last one is Very Berry, and this is like a deep berry or red color. Y'all, it's tracksuit season. It's tracksuit season. I am so happy. Listen, my favorite season is tracksuit season, which is usually like a fall winter time, and it's just because I love trackies. I love pulling on a good tracksuit. I love pulling on my trainers, my jacket, and I'm good to go. I just love it. It's just my favorite. Don't get me wrong, I love summer as well, because you know summertime and dash all the time, so, but I think tracksuit season is probably my favorite. My hair keeps getting caught in my lashes. Oh girl. Right, so Primark haul. What did I get at Primark? So I went in there to get joggers for Amira J, because she needs black joggers for PE during winter time, but they didn't have any, and then I kind of got distracted by everything else in the shop, so I may have got a few bits. I got Mira's comfy boots, easy, cheap. These were £10, no, £7, and they're just cute because the cream will go with a lot of what that's in her wardrobe, and then the charcoal color, I already have brown and black boots for her, so I thought I would get that. Also grabbed her some gloves because the winter is already speaking, and it's not even, we're just in September, fam. Well, yeah, we're in September, so I know it's about to be a cold winter. And then I got myself some jumpers, just some plain. So this is like a round neck. Love this color, love this color. Let me know if you guys want a try on haul, because that would be no problem. And then I also got this, oh sorry, this was £8, this first one. And then I got just an oversized big hoodie that's just super comfy, that I can just throw on, and this was £8 as well, and it has a zip down the middle. Just cozy, comfy for school runs, easy to drag on. And then I've got turtlenecks. Is this a turtleneck? Oh no, this is a v-neck. Large. I got large in all of them, guys. Large in all of them. V-neck, jumper again, and it's just so stretchy. Like, it looks tiny but it's super stretchy. And this one was £8 as well. I guess everything is £8 at this point. And then I got cream. I was trying my best to not get too many cream bits this winter, because that's all that existed in my wardrobe last year, was just cream and white. Same kind of style. This is just a mismatch with like leather leggings. £8 again. Leather leggings, you can pull that on with jeans, you can wear that with joggers, you can wear it with anything. They're really versatile. That's what I like about it. And then I got some grey trackies again, just to throw on. This was, do you know what I noticed last time I went into Primark? All the bottom of the tags were missing where the prices were, which was really strange. Anyways, I can't remember how much this was, but yeah, I got some grey trackies. And then got Mirage some grey trackies as well, because I just love me some Mummy and Mini Moments, just my fave. I'm also buying 5 to 6 for Amira because she's long. So yeah, also got some pink joggers, and the quality is not bad, guys, and on the inside it's pretty decent as well. It's like lined, so it's pretty warm. And then we got her some cat pajamas, because why not? It's long sleeve, and she saw it, she could choose from a whole bunch of styles, and she decided to go with the cat. For what reason, I don't know, but that's what she wanted, so that's what she got. So we got some cat pajamas. It's actually really decent. This, oh sorry, the kids joggers, £3.50. The grey one again, £3.50, and then the pajamas were £8 for 2 pairs, which is pretty decent. And that was it. It wasn't bad. £66 in total, and it's just some basics. Everything else I get from mainly, so last year it was mainly Boohoo, but I didn't really like the quality, so far I've been getting it mainly from ASOS, M&S, and there was another place, Pretty Little Thing, which is like standard. I feel like that's it everywhere. But yeah, I think that's about it. So today I've just been trying to get Mira better. She's having a nap right now. I'm going to put these bits away, and I'm also gonna do some more clean, tidy up my hair products. There's so many hair products, guys. Jesus. So I need to tidy up in there, and then I'm gonna go make some dinner in a bit. I like bulk cooking so that I don't have to be like cooking every single day, so I'm gonna do that as well. Also need to do some editing for you guys, and yeah, I think that's it right now. I put a wax melt on, so that smells lovely. Let me know, are you like a candle person or you like a wax melt person? Also, I didn't know, I think I mentioned that I was doing a no, did I say no makeup or no foundation? Anyways, this is no foundation makeup look. Because I was doing washing my hair and stuff, I didn't want like full-blown makeup, but I still wanted my eyes to look awake, so I just popped some concealer on, put some bronzer and some blush on there. I didn't do my eyebrows, I left my eyebrows as is. Pop some liner and some lip gloss on there, which I ate off anyway. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna start doing this light look a lot more, because it's just so easy. It's just absolutely so easy, guys. I really like, let me know if you guys like the curls. I feel like Bandibles are going on themselves. They're not going on too bad, you know. I love it. It's nice. It's nice, and it made my hair really big. So yeah, let me go sort these clothes out, and I will catch up with you guys. I'll also try to remember to pop in like a nighttime skin routine, just to show you guys kind of what I do at night time. Depends how Mirage is feeling though. If she's feeling alright, I'll do it. If not, I'll probably see you guys next week in another vlog. If that is the case, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.